Hi, I'm Brad DeHaan with Jig Sign Specialty Channel Letters. I want to give you a little tour of this trimless edge channel letter sign. This particular sign is dual lit. So a dual lit sign is not only face lit, but it's also reverse lit, so it shines light on the wall. And this particular one is vertically mounted, but usually these can be mounted directly to a wall with spacers and metal studs. We'll take a little bit of a tour in a minute. But a trimless channel letter, a trimless edge channel letter means that the edge does not have a trim cap or border. So you have a nice, smooth, elegant finish. And what's nice about the dual lit letter is that you can tell it's a three-dimensional shape even at night because you can see the return and it gives it more depth. All right, let's take a closer look at this trimless edge channel letter that's dual lit. I'm going to take off the last screw. There we go. Easy enough. These are small screws that are flat, and the holes are countersunk so that you don't hardly notice the screws. And the seams are shiplapped, so the overlap, number one, they're overlapped so you don't see light leaking, and these rivets go through two thicknesses of material so you get a really strong bond. One of the benefits of a trimless channel letter, besides the fact that it looks nice and clean, is that the trim cap, especially when it rains, will channel the water down the inside of the face and make it look moldy and dark, whereas this is flood coated with adhesive, so it's 100% waterproof, so absolutely no water is going to be running down the inside of your face. And let's take a look at the polycarbonate backs for this trimless edge channel letter that's dual lit. All right, there's these little extruded aluminum brackets with a little foam on one side, and those are attached to the polycarbonate backs, and we have UL listed mini LED lights that are held in place with silicone. This is all pretty standard, and we use nut certs to receive the metal studs with spacers, and that's pretty much it.